How to find the htaccess file in File Manager in Hostinger. Let's see in this video tutorial. Once you log into your Hostinger account, this is the dashboard you will see. Next, we will need to click the Websites tab. And on the right side of the screen, we will see all the domains set up by us in Hostinger. Let's find the htaccess file in this website domain. We need to click this dashboard button. And next, we need to click and enter File Manager section. Again, in this screen, we need to enter the public HTML directory. The htaccess file is not visible because the htaccess file is a hidden file. Any unwanted changes to the htaccess file can damage the server or the website, hence hidden. To unhide the htaccess file and view them, we need to click this Profile Settings. Next, in the pop-up window, we need to uncheck the Hide.Files checkbox and update the changes made. We can go back now to the website's public HTML directory to view the htaccess file. And now the htaccess file is visible here. This is how you can find the .access file in File Manager in Hostinger. Please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. Comment and share this video if it was helpful.